and I dey see me as I dey smile abi. I love money. Like I love money, so that's why I'm smiling. So Belonia. There is no mercy for money. This is the kind of song I want to be hearing. This is the kind of song I want to be singing. So guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what subscribe for returning subscriber. Thank you, we love you. So in this video today, we'll be talking about the skills that you can learn or the things that you can do for you to maximize how you can earn online. You understand? Now, I get a lot of DMs about people that will come and say, okay, I want to do this, I want to make my work. Now, the online street is not a Ponzi scheme. I don't know. A lot of people will come to my DM and be asking me that, are you the one that chatted me up? Are you the one that do this? Are you the one that sent me your phone number? Now, the only way you can chat me up is through the Telegram channel. I have said it and I'll keep saying it. It is through the Telegram channel. I do not give anybody my personal number. I do not leave my personal number anywhere for anybody. Do you understand me? So let's be careful so that you don't get scammed or you don't get in contact with dubious people online. They are everywhere. You cannot do without them. You understand? But that's why I'm saying this, that we should please be very careful. So there are a lot of things you can do online to make money. One, you can learn a skill. Now, the skill is one of the most important thing for you to make money online. If you don't have anything to bring to the table, you understand, you cannot make money. It is just like in the offline world, where if you don't have anything, any value to bring to the table, you cannot also get paid or do anything and earn money. You understand? Even if it's ordinary zobo that you know how to do and you know how to tie, it is still a skill. Do you understand? So you need to learn one skill or another. I gave you guys, I dropped, let me just say, for the mommies and the daddies and the uncles and the aunties, I dropped an ebook. Yes, an ebook compiled by Mrs. Tammy. I dropped it for you guys. Some people downloaded it. The download was massive. And some people didn't care. You can use that one to even reach out to her. If you don't want to reach out to her, fine. You can get links to websites where you can apply for offline and remote jobs that will employ you from anywhere you are. You understand? So another one is you can learn to remove background images. I made a video on that few months ago. Sorry guys. I made a video on that few months ago where you can pick an image and remove the background and then you get paid. There are sites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Gig Work where you can apply, where you can put up gigs about removing background of an image and then you get paid. You can also go on Instagram. You know, a lady shared a story about how she became a virtual assistant. What she does is she go on Instagram, she check out people's, what will I put it, product images, and she just chat them up and say, okay, your product is fine, what you're selling is okay, but I think if I help you do a bit of touching and removing one thing or the other, I think your product will sell more. You understand? It will say, I think your product will sell more. So if she gets a client, the client will just maybe send her like 5 images and she would do it for free. Like 5 images and she will do it for free. Then the next one, you guys can bargain price. There are a lot of people on Instagram that are doing business and they don't even know what product marketing is. They don't know what product editing can do to their business. So they are not into it. They don't know much about it. They don't know the apps. They don't know whatever they can use to make those product editing work. So you have me, you have my videos on how to edit using Canva, you have my videos on how to make background images. You have a whole lot of things at your disposal that I've shared in this video for free. You can use any of those ones and you start doing something online. You understand? The next one I do love to share is Amazon KDP. Now, the reason why I love to share it is because it is common. You understand? It is common in Nigeria. It is very, very common in Nigeria, but not everybody are making money with Amazon KDP. Do you understand me? Not everybody are making money with it. Some people are just shouting, shouting, shouting. Most of them are not making money with it. But people that are making money with it, when you see them, they don't even talk much. You understand? So I talked about a video that Mrs. Funke Felix. I don't know if you guys know her. If you are a Nigerian, you should know her. Mrs. Funke Felix Adejumo. Like she said it wholeheartedly, like with confidence, that she makes money using Amazon KDP. And you are at home, you are not doing anything. Hmm? Now I do not mentor, but I have a course I do recommend. You understand? I have a course I do recommend, and the course is like A to Z of Amazon. A to Z of Amazon, in fact, using your mobile phone. The course is not pricey for the content it will give you, for the value it will give you. It's just 20,000 naira. If you don't have it, you can save up for it. But if you have it, it is better you start. The earlier you start, the better for you. And they see me as I dey smile, abi. I love money. Like I love money, so that's why I'm smiling. So the course will enable you to have access to hundreds of people or thousands of people that are into Amazon KDP. You understand? There are admins on the course website, the forum. There is a forum with admins whereby whenever you have issues, you cannot always reach out to any of those admins. Then on that same forum, you guys will talk and relate, share your ideas and other things. It's just like someone is holding you step by step. You understand? So another advantage is the Canva free pro version and other apps. Then you will get to know the website. Oh my god. This website, is it Helium 10? Hey, is it Helium 10 I want to talk about? Abi Book Noah. Hey, you get to know about website that you can use to make sales on Amazon. It is not enough to know how to write and know what to do on Amazon, but another thing is for you to start making sales. You can have 1,000 books on Amazon, and without the right strategy or trick, you will not be able to make sales. You understand? The next one we are going to talk about right now, I think it is the number 4, is that you can start a website. Build a website. For a website also, you need training. You need someone to tutor you for a website, because you need to know how you can write words that will use your SEO well, words that will build traffic to your website and all those things. Then the number 5, I'm trying to round up this video, is starting a YouTube channel. Whatever skill you have, anything you have, just start. When I say whatever skill you have, I mean it. Anything you have, just start. You understand? So guys, I might be having a seminar, or I might be having a class. Not really a class, but how will I put it? Will I say, okay, a class like that on how you can leverage YouTube and how you can work more to get results on YouTube, and how you can get monetized on YouTube and start earning on YouTube. I don't know when the class will be, but if you want me to do the class, just say it in the description, say it in the comment section. Please do that class. The class will not be free, because for me to give my time is not free. But just let me know if you guys want me to, do that kind of a class, because I know some of you guys have YouTube channel, some of you. So guys, that will be all about how you can make money, or how you can leverage the online street and make money there. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Like I said, if you have not subscribed to our channel, or more do what? Subscribe. If you are not like this video, yeah, like the video.